Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and stick around for more. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 gift ideas that I think will be awesome for the sewing and crafting friend in your life. Let's get started with gift idea number 1. The first gift idea that I think would be awesome is a beautiful pair of shears from LDH Scissors. You all know I have been using these shears for a couple years now. I've been using their products, period, for a couple years now, and I absolutely love them. I have the Midnight Edition shears, but I think these right here are the perfect gift idea. Look at them. First of all, I still have the box for them. That's how much I love these shears. And it's been years since I had these. But I still have the box. I absolutely love these. These are a fantastic gift idea. Not only are they gorgeous, I mean, I use these every now and then. Like when the camera's on for something really nice, then I'll pull these out. But not only are they gorgeous, fantastic, amazing quality, you can actually engrave and personalize them. So your sewing and crafting friend, you can put their name or whatever you like to call them or they like to be called, whatever have you. You can put it on the shears. I just think that's a fantastic gift idea. So again, these shears from LDH, any of their products really, and I think they also have gift sets. Jump on those. Those are fantastic gift ideas. And I just know the sewing and crafting friend in your life is going to love them because, I mean, I still got the box. It's just something that I just absolutely love. So this is gift idea number 1. Let's go to gift idea number 2. Gift idea number 2 is none other than all of the Know Me patterns. First of all, look at this bow. I could not tie the bow, but never mind that. This would be a fantastic gift idea, especially if you know that they love sewing with patterns. Why not get them all of the pattern collection? Especially if they don't have it already. This would be a fantastic gift. They get 12 patterns. It's 11 designers. Norris has 2 designs in the fall collection. Hello, this is a fantastic gift idea. Just wrap it up in a bow or put it in a cute box or bag and they will love these. I mean, yes, my pattern is in there. ME 2002 and all the other amazing designers. I just know they would love it. At least I think they will anyway, especially if they don't have it already. Maybe you heard them talking about it. And I think this would be great no matter what sewing level they are. If they are beginner, they can just hold on to these and just kind of learn things along the way. There are sew along videos for these too. So they can walk step by step while they are sewing the project. So again, I think this would be a fantastic gift idea. This is gift idea number 2. Let me show you gift idea number 3. All right, the last and final gift idea that I think would be fantastic for the sewing and crafting friend in your life would be the new MimigxOliso iron. This limited edition iron by Oliso, I think would be absolutely fantastic as a gift idea. Now, I do think the pre-order is off. I think it's already passed, but I do still think this is a fantastic iron. I've already done like an unboxing over on Instagram, so I will put that video up here for you to see, but let me grab the iron. Inside the box, you get the instructions as well as a note from Mimi, but this is the iron here, and it's just fabulous. I love the colors. I love the design. It has the smart technology, auto lift that Oliso is known for, the smart iron. And I just think it's fantastic. Again, for any sewer or crafter in your life, a nice iron is an essential for everything. For sewing and crafting, it's just an essential. Well, not all types of crafting. It depends on what the craft is. But again, I think this would be a fantastic gift for the sewing and crafting friend in your life. All right, friends, so that is the last of the sewing and crafting gift ideas that I have, but I do have another gift idea that I think would be fantastic, not just for Christmas, but for Valentine's Day, for birthdays, for Mother's Day, from congratulations. Like, I think this is a gift that you can gift at any time, especially if you know the person that you have in mind loves flowers and roses, and that is Roses from Rose Forever. This company reached out to to me to tell me about their brand, and I thought it would be a fantastic gift idea. Again, if you know the person that you're giving it to loves flowers, this company is based in New York, and they launched back in 2019, and they specialize in rose boxes. They use natural roses in their boxes, and they preserve them by using natural oils. In this box that I have, it came with 9 roses. It still smelled like roses, which I think is amazing. And like I said, if you know the person that you're gifting it to love roses, these can last up to a year. So if you're interested, be sure to check my description box. I have a link as well as a code that you can use to browse their website and shop. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down for me below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.